It wasn't one moment where it was like, boom, this happened, then everything changed. It was something that led up to it. And so the straw that finally broke the camel's back was we were working on a job site, and they were working on the 15th floor of the building, and they dropped an L angle and almost killed somebody. There was an investigation, and the investigation showed that hazard assessments and the forms that they needed to do, there was holes in some were missing throughout the week. And so I thought there's got to be a better way.
Everyone that approaches me with software ideas, I say, I guarantee you something exists, go look for it. Pay for it, because it's a lot cheaper to just go buy it off the shelf than it is to develop it.
But I couldn't find anything that really felt like it made sense. Something that actually was doing it right. Something that was for the industry, from the industry. What we actually did is we replicated the workflow and the hierarchy in the data infrastructure of the product, but we built that infrastructure and then dropped safety into it. And that's really what created SALUS and how it's so unique. Our goal with SALUS is to allow our customers to stay connected with their field level workers and allow them to breathe again. Get them out of the office, into the field, coaching and leading like they're meant to do as a safety officer.
LMS has over 170 job sites in the Lower Mainland. That's 170 foremen, that's 500 workers. When I was in the field, we did everything by paper. We used to literally go to site and physically grab like stacks of paperwork and like bring it to the office and dump it on a girl's desk and be like, well, there you go, now you gotta file it.
I think one of our core strengths is our intensity for our customers, to know where you need to improve and to be able to actually formulate strategies and to focus on strengthening culture versus chasing paper around and having safety professionals running around like admin, collecting paperwork, chasing people down because they didn't sign a form. Those things are in the past.
It's hard to imagine the way we did our safety documentation before we used SALUS. It allows us to spend more time physically on site. So rather than spending an hour for a site inspection and going through paperwork, now I can sit there, I can participate in the toolbox meeting. It's written out by the time I get there and I can see it before I get to site. I can kind of be a little bit more prepared. So we get a little bit more face-to-face time with the guys.
You shouldn't have to be trained how to use good software. You get on site, you have your forms you need to fill out, and you get to work. There's going to be job sites that have hazards, they're going to have forms, they're going to have different subcontractors on site. All of that information is going to flow into that job site. It gives us the ability to aggregate that data and give them data points that they can make high-level decisions on and be proactive instead of reactive when it comes to their safety policies.
Health and safety is all around us all the time, from the minute that you wake up to when you go to sleep at night. We offer support. We offer a community. There's so much more than just the app.
It's about delivering value to the business in a way that they didn't know was possible.
It's an industry that has, especially in the area that we're focused on, it's looking, it's needing, it's wanting something to help them. They're going to start to look to SALUS to say, what are we going to do next? And we can collaborate and bring people together, not just us alone, other safety softwares, other software that are construction tech, and really start to make a difference.